Hello guys, my name is Ernest and let's do this one very quickly in terms of voicing. And if you're a voiceover artist, you're a freelancer, thank you for subscribing. And I want to appreciate all returning subscribers and those people who are watching my videos and they appreciate me. Make sure you comment below and let's see what we're gonna do. Before I proceed, and I've got another, you can do your transcription, you can do your voicing, you can do your content writing, SEO writing, and even of course you know how to voice. Okay, this one is quickly. Now go over to my YouTube channel and subscribe, and make sure whenever I produce a video you share it out. Okay, are you there? It's a website where you can do voices. Okay, if you're a voice artist, you can quickly jump in and register, sign up. Make sure you have your samples ready, and of course, just like any other application that we have, any other website that we have been talking about, you need to register. Okay, you need to sign up. You need your samples uploaded. You need also to write about yourself, write a profile about you. Okay, let me show you on the screens. Okay, that will be even much better. I don't want to take you too long in terms of that, so make sure you subscribe right now, and make sure you share in 1, 2, 3, 4. Share it out to Facebook and even to your friends, and let them know that you can work online. Ernest Digits, it's about how to make money online, how to survive working from home, employing yourself, and if you're looking for a permanent solution, how to make money online, how to improve your side hustles. Of course, you don't leave your job, okay? This one you can do it at your free time. Then make sure you DM me. My contacts are in the description box below. You can read it, and let's connect and let's have friends, okay?
Hello, my name is Ernest again, and this is another website that needs your attention if you want to use your voice to start making money online. Now, in this video today, I'll show you how to sign up on this website, and at the end of this video, I'll also explain how you're going to sign up on this new site where you want to use your voice as a voiceover artist, and at the same time, how to sign up and how to just navigate on this new site, which I'm going to show you today. I want you to pay attention here that Ernest Digit is about how to share, how to make money online, how to start making money with apps and websites, and we talk about spirituality and money matters when it comes to issues about how to make money online using your phone, using your smartphone, how to work from home jobs, and so much more to increase your side hustle, and how to make some more money when it comes to online jobs and so much more. So stick here to the end because I'll be sharing most of these jobs, and let me show you how. Now I want to show you this, explore some samples submitted by the pros. On this website you can also see some of the pro voice artists, and at the same time you can also see the writings. You can also watch some videos. There are some who do content and blog content. You can watch, read about them. They also do videos which they are here for you to see, and then there are also who do design and also transcription. Now on this video, it is just a series of videos whereby I'll do today. We are going to focus on voice. Next time we shall look at writing, video, design, and then later on we shall complete our series with transcription. Now because today we are looking at the voice, let's complete the voice and see. Like we have a new guy, a pro guy who does called Craig. We have John and much more. So what does it do on this website? First of all, you send your project details, select your fulfillment type, then delivered within the period you have set yourself. Then it is speedy. Its booking is always very fast as a freelancer to work on your project, and then contest. This is to people who are looking for their work to be done. Now I'm going to show you, when you are a voice artist, where do you start from? Then you can use our API to get professional voice overs. Then you can learn about it. So far, we have got you covered tackling a big project. We have the solution. You can check around all these some of the testimonials that have been put forward. Now I want to show you when do you start on how to creative services, browse creatives, API, how it works, language, currency, and then apply as a pro. So first of all, we need to register ourselves on this new site and start making money online, or you're looking for something to work from home easily, jobs that are supposed to work from home. Make sure you sign up and register, and also click the subscription button to Earnest Digits, because I'll show you all these websites one by one. You'll be lucky person to get this fast in your inbox whenever I produce a new video. And stick here to the end, because this is a series of voice artists all over the world, and make sure our target is to get 1,000 subscribers, and you are one of them. Make sure you share, like, comment below. Let me know, do you love this site? Let me show you all this. And here you'll insert your full name and then company, or if you don't have a company, you can choose one, then select your number or your phone number, and then select your country. Make sure you sign up, or you can sign up using your Google or your Facebook account. What brings you to a platform? Now you'll have to choose, are you a buyer or you are a pro? Now between the two, you need to understand that when the two are combined, you can continue as a buyer, which means you want people to help you with your problem. Maybe it's writing, maybe it's a transcription, or it's a voicing. Now what we are focusing today. And at the same time, if you're a pro, which means you're an artist, now you need to sign up as an artist. Okay, now you'll click on the icon, the red on your right, which is as a pro. These are some of your time is to shine. Join us and become a Bunny Studio Pro today. Okay, now voiceovers are here. They have given you why. They have explained to you the written content. They have also applied as translation, video editing, and then we have transcription, we have audio production, we have much more design. And be specific. If you're looking for any other type of profession online, you can just specify below here and click the continue button, and then you'll be directed much further. But today we are watching and looking into details on voiceovers. You can apply as a voice artist and submit your project for several purposes. So we shall click on the voiceover. Tell us about you. So fill in the information we need to make you become the best pro. Okay, now first you have to click here, and you will take care of your billing, whereby you have to set what type of process of payment do you want to get. Is it by card? Is it by PayPal? Is it by what? And then you also how to use this. Will you be paid for every acceptable rate, including auditions? And then we shall keep in mind an extra text of may be needed. And then you have to your own rate. Okay, after setting your own rate, there's also what you consider here, that revisions may be needed. We'll also add your margin on top of your rates. Then your rates should be for full buyout on all projects. We need not to pay usage and broadcasting. Then we will also expect you to honor these rates. We'll calculate all these. These are the requirements of a voiceover artist, which means you have to keep this in mind, that this one is entirely your profession, and you have to keep all these check. And so you have to write first Swahili, which is here. Then what are some of the voices, artist voice, genders and ages you can perform extremely well? We have male child, teenage. We have, I think, two. I think here you can only choose two. I think so. You can only choose 2, which means I'm a male. I'll choose the 2. Then how much will you charge? Of course, you'll have to choose your rate. And here now, pay attention here. This is the most important part where you need to choose your rate and explain. Make sure you choose this very carefully, because you can mess up as a newbie, or you can mess up as the whole thing and miss out most of the projects, or you can choose a rate which will make you very cheap on a very lucrative project. So first of all, you'll be needed to choose your currency. Of course, most people will choose the US dollar, which is the most used one. And then we have this one, the US dollar. Then we have 2 seconds after 5 words, how much? Then 30 minutes. Do you choose $150 in 6 hours, or 20 seconds, 50 words? This is now how you charge yourself. Now, mostly what I do, I go for 50. I go for 50 US dollars and 5. Now, do you want to consider for bookings? Of course, yes, you have to check that. Do you want to be considered for contests? Yes, you can check that, because this will keep you more active on the platform. Do you want to consider for speedies? I don't think so. All the pros. Then at the same time, to be more competitive, you can see projects that will pay you 6% of my rate or more. Then final details, you have to put your phone number, put your name, your phone number. Then this is a sentence that describes you best. Consider using keywords that describe you. You have to put your bio and submit. Okay, now after you submit, please provide your country, your phone. These are some of the things that you'll be needed to fill in and start making all this. I'll take you slow, step by step. Keep here. My name is Ernest, and I'm going to do all these steps until we reach to the point where we're going to fill in our profile, our bio, and who are we, so that we can be a pro on Bunny Studio. The next step, and this next step you can choose below between being invited to participate in an auditioning project or submit your previous recorded voiceover for your interview. So if you have, that's why I said earlier before that you need to have your voices recorded earlier before and keep them for these websites. I'll be producing most of these websites, and what you have to do to help me out is make sure you have samples of your voices kept within your reach, so that you can just upload here and then that will be yours. But if you don't have any voice recorded, first you need to participate in auditioning. Make sure you record using the professional audio equipment you'll use to submit voiceovers for us. So this is very important, since we need to be reviewing if your audition matches our quality control standards as well as your speed and responsiveness. Good luck. We look forward to receiving your donations, your auditions. Now you have to complete the application project. You will be able to choose when to receive the application project. Okay. Now you can click on the red button to start, or upload 3 videos. You can also upload 3 voiceovers. Upload 3 voiceovers from your portfolio in your application project. Now, these are the 2 ways you're going to start out as a voiceover. But meanwhile, we can see some of our favorites. You can see some of the profile picture here, and just look at it and how it works out. I've taken a lot of time. So far we don't have that. Let's click here, and then creative services. Let's see what the creative services have. And we have audio, we have voice, video, and then writing. We have audio, position, production, translation, dubbing, and so much more. So there's so much. We have audio ads. Let's see what's all about. So here it's a bunch of skills that are needed. So I always ask my voiceover artists that if you are skilled in different skills and you want to also add in some more extra amount when it comes to low season, whereby we don't have a lot of jobs that come in through voices, you can also keep yourself here and carry out and take up some of these other creative jobs like the ones I've just shown you there. these ones. Like take for example, we have bestseller, we have audio ads, and other more. So this is our profile. Let me close this. We have contact information. Now if you check your profile, make sure it stands out very well, and you'll be lucky to get most of this. So here they say, and let's click here to change your contact and information. Give me another title if you have, then company, tax, and then address, and so much more. Then you have to upload your picture, upload, you can see, and some of the projects that we need to start now. Now go there and click the link in the description box and go to Bunny Studio, create your profile, and start making money as a voiceover artist. If you have any questions, you can come into my inbox. I have everything on my description box, so you can just check me out and let's see how this starts working out. Okay, you can check Bunny Studio anywhere you feel like, and you can apply right now, create our story and other services which we shall be focusing on later on. Okay, see you in the next video. My name is Ernest. This is Bunny Studio for voiceovers. See you as you continue to make money online.